Now, there's high drama in South America. Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro has accused the United States of plotting a coup in the middle of a pandemic. The story involves an American military veteran, 2 detained U.S. soldiers, the White House, and a very questionable confession video. Our next report has all the details.
To meet Venezuelans in Colombia, train them, and come with them to Venezuela to secure Caracas and secure an airport here.
This video is playing on television screens across the world. This is American citizen Luke Denman. He is currently in Venezuelan custody. What for? For trying to stage a coup. It's a plot straight out of a Hollywood movie. The story begins sometime last week. On the 4th of May, Venezuela had news for the world. Nothing to do with the pandemic. Venezuela said it had foiled a maritime incursion. Mercenaries had tried to enter the country through sea. Their speedboats were intercepted by the Venezuelan military.
The main objective was to kill the Venezuelan president, a terrorist attack in the middle of a pandemic.
It did not take long for President Nicolas Maduro to cry coup. It was all planned in the White House, he said.
Detrás de esto está Donald Trump.
Donald Trump, Mike Pompeo were directly behind this.
Soon, Venezuelan authorities arrested 13 people. Among them were 2 Americans, Luke Denman and Aaron Berry. Venezuela said the duo played a key role in the plot, adding they were working with Jordan Goudreau, an American military veteran who runs a security company in Florida.
Del año 1986, Texas. Aquí está el pasaporte. Aquí están sus tarjetas.
Goudreau has reportedly admitted to organizing the invasion. US President Donald Trump was quick to deny involvement.
I just got information, nothing to do with our government.
Back in Caracas, opposition leader and self-proclaimed President Juan Guaido rubbished the alleged incursion.
Esa es la verdad hoy.
They want to sow confusion, they want to sow a state of apparent commotion to hide what's going on in Venezuela.
The United States has been tight-lipped on this supposed botched coup. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has called it a consular matter.
We want to get every American back. If the Maduro regime decides to hold them, we'll use every tool that we have available to try and get them back. It's our responsibility to do so.
Venezuela, meanwhile, is beating its breast. Its latest so-called proof against the Trump administration is this confession video.
My responsibilities to Silvercorp are written in a contract, or described in a contract, signed by Jordan Goudreau, Juan Rendon, and Juan Guaido.
The 34-year-old Denman claims that the plan was to secure a Caracas airport so that Maduro could be sent to the United States. This evidently edited video is Maduro's best ammo against the Trump administration. He's now lodging a case at the International Court of Justice. The culprits are the US government and President Donald Trump. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.